A late-night crash left officers searching for answers, but the driver they encountered seemed to be fighting battles far beyond the accident itself. As emotions boiled over and the investigation intensified, officers worked to determine whether they were dealing with a distressed driver, an impaired driver, or both.
Did you have anything to drink today? What's that White Claw there? Okay.
Okay, dude, you have no fucking idea what I paid for.
Steve.
I'm sorry. Alright? I didn't mean that. I'm apologizing.
Okay. Alright. Can you grab your license, your registration, your insurance for me? Hey,
things have been so f***ed up lately, dude.
I hear you.
I hate my...
You might...
I got a terrible one. I you throw me in a link again. They're trying to charge me $12,000 because the guy threw me in a f***ing mental ward because I was pissed. Thank you. $12,000.
Can I help you with that?
No, I got it. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you. You might not recognize... Do you have registration and insurance on the car?
You want to trade? I'll trade lives with you.
Hey. Steve, do me a favor. Just don't talk to her.
I'm sorry, dude.
I know. You're good, man. But just... Okay, you're, So you're leaking, so I gotta get you a tow.
I have no idea. I can't afford a tow. I got in my own tow truck. I'll go get my own truck. I can't afford nothing, dude. I'm fucking broke and homeless, all right?
I understand.
Move your eyes only. You're going to follow with your eyes. Do not move your head, okay?
That's fine.
All right? It's going to feel like you're a little comfortable. You'll say, I had to do it myself. Okay.
I'm right here, Maria. Can you just give me a second?
Okay. Ready? Remember what I said, right?
County 610.
Remember. So
610.
I have to follow it, right?
Yeah, but you
45 by here. Can you hand a couple vehicles?
Okay, don't move my hand. I got you. Got you.
Okay. It's okay. It's gonna go left or right. Thank you.
Turn test where you're going to start. Like I said, you're going to put your left foot on the back of that yellow line right there. So your left foot on the back of that yellow line. You're going to put your right foot over your left foot so that the heels of your right foot are touching the toes of your left foot like this. Okay? So I want you to get in that position now.
One. Sorry. What am I supposed to do after that?
Okay. Next test, we're just going to do the one leg stand. So can you balance? Don't start until I tell you to do anything, okay? I got to explain it, and then you do it, okay? So is there anything that would prevent you from balancing on one leg?
Nothing.
No? Okay. So what you're going to do now, you're going to stand with your feet shoulder width apart, hands down at your side like so. Again, don't start the test until I tell you to do so, all right? You're going to pick
one leg up, either of your choosing. I'm going to lift my right leg. Approximately 6 inches off the ground. You're going to point your toe to the sky, and you're going to count in the following manner. 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop. Okay?
Remember, I told you, don't start the test until I tell you to do so. Okay? So, shoulder width apart, hands on your side, either leg, 6 inches off the ground, point to the sky, 1001, 1002, 1003, and so on until I tell you to stop. Do you have any questions? Okay, you may begin. Remember, count.
It's hard. Hold on.
Remember, count out loud.
Okay. All right. Hold on. 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 109.
Okay. Just stay by the hood of your car. Just stay by the hood of your car right there.
Hold on.
Yep, just right by the hood of your car. Tests are done.
Eyes are bad, though.
Eyes are bad? Nope. Okay. Samantha, what I'm going to do now is I'm going to have you put your hands behind your back. You're going to be under arrest for suspicion of DWI, okay? So put your hands behind your back.
No, I can do anything.
I'm not asking you now, I'm telling you, okay?
The best thing that you can do now.
So ready?
We know you're not.
So ready?
No, you're not.
Ready?
It
Samantha.
seems like you made a
My
mistake.
son, I have a 4-year-old. He's waiting for
Okay,
me.
hey.
I understand.
I don't know what to do. Who am I supposed to call?
We got one on.
Listen, when we get back to the headquarters, it's really close. Okay, it's not far. We can talk about that more. Okay. Who's watching your son right now? Your
My
mom?
mom, but she's not supposed to. She can't.
Well, she's gonna have to help you out tonight. All right.
She's at her part-time job. You guys don't understand.
Samantha, can you listen to me for a quick second?
No.
No, you don't want to listen to me? Well, here's what I'm going to tell you. Okay, you're under arrest right now, but it's not a criminal offense. This is a traffic offense that results in you being arrested. Okay? So if all goes well, we're going to take you back to headquarters. We're going to do some paperwork. We're going to take your picture, and then you're going to call someone to come pick you up. Okay? And you're going to be out of here.
Samantha, you're not spending the night in jail or anything.
Just
All
keep
right.
me there. You guys don't understand my family. If I am in jail,
Well, if you want us to talk to them,
it's okay. No,
will.
it's fine. I'm just gonna.
Okay. All right. We're going to take a walk over to my car now, okay? We'll get your stuff.
We'll get yourself.
All right. We're going to walk now. 1 foot at a time. Here we go. Ready?
Okay, come on.
Come on now.
You guys don't understand what's happening to me.
We're gonna listen to you, but right now you have to come.
No, you guys. It's too late.
Samantha.
It's too late. You don't know.
Don't listen.
You don't know my family. You stupid ass.
Hey, sir.
You.
Sir.
Who are you?
Okay.
Stupid bro.
Okay.
He doesn't know shit.
We're gonna talk to him. We're gonna talk to him. All right.
I need to call my mom and tell her.
We'll take care of that.
My son is at his babysitter's and I'm my mom.
Okay.
We walk up right now.
Get to the police station, and we'll take care of that. All right, Samantha.
Oh my god. My mom, you
right
guys are just ruining my life.
We're not ruining your life.
No, you
If you want,
No, I'm
talk to your mom. I will. Okay, come on.
You guys,
Shift a little bit. All right? Let's buckle up.
can you just take me out of this?
We're not. We can't.
Yes.
do that.
What? I'm not supposed to say.
Once we get to headquarters.
You're under arrest.
Oh my god, you guys don't know my mom. I'm under arrest for nothing.
You're under arrest for driving while intoxicated.
Sure.
Suspicion of it. Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Yeah, sure.
Listen, if you're not, we'll find it out. Okay.
No, you
We'll find it out. We're gonna get back there. We're gonna do the
After observing multiple signs of possible impairment and conducting a series of field sobriety tests, officers placed Samantha under arrest on suspicion of driving while intoxicated. Throughout the encounter, she repeatedly expressed concern about her family and young child, while officers explained the arrest process and advised that further testing would determine whether she was impaired. As with any arrest, the allegations shown in this video represent only one stage of the legal process. All individuals are presumed innocent unless and until proven guilty in a court of law.